basically, you know, everyone who has a Facebook page, you're already curating. Because you're only posting the posts or sharing the posts that are of interest to you. So necessarily it's your bias, your preferences that affect what appears on your timeline. Okay? That already is curation. For the CSV, okay, just very quickly, it's a simple text file, the fields are separated by commas. Okay, so the reason why you encounter it so often is precisely because it's a very simple format. It's only a text file with lines and commas, but it's used as a way of interchanging data. And it can be read directly by Excel, whereas an Excel spreadsheet can only be read by Excel and a few other programs. So basically that's it. For the, you know, SMS-based, phone-based, or and web-based, which means desktop, it means you have to design your programs or applications for different displays and different types of interactions. If you need a large display and a lot of input, keyboard input, then it's a desktop application. You assume that it's going to be used on a desktop or a larger screen. If you're doing it for mobile, you know, you keep your input and typing requirements to a minimum. Your screen size is actually flexible because it is the Android API or the interface that automatically adjusts for that. You know? Just one word. Towards the end, there were some questions. What about tools that we can need for SMS-based? A lot of other CSOs are already using these tools. For example, I pointed out that CMA, for example, SMS-based. Yeah, because she was talking so loud, she didn't hear me talk about her.
Pero may Twitter na, sir.
No, but really, they have this server in the toilet. I mean, yeah.
Sa kitchen, sir.
Kitchen? Okay. And there are SMS-based apps. You would use this, for example, for rural areas or in countries where, you know, penetration of smartphones is still very low. Okay, so depending on your audience, you will either use smartphone-based or mobile app, or you will use SMS-based. If you want a wider reach, something easy for even, you know, any Filipino to understand, you can use SMS. Where did you get your SMS application? Because it runs on a server, not necessarily on the
They're
phone.
using Frontline SMS, which is a free application.
Free application.
You go to frontlinesms.org
Okay.
and then request for a copy of the. Basically, you need for that you need a computer, either a Mac, a Windows, and Linux computer, a dedicated one, and a GSM modem.
Yeah. Where you
So
see
it's
a
kind of
SIM.
like the dongle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then for the SIM.
Okay.
So yeah.
So Frontline.
Yeah, we can talk about Frontline SMS.
The name of the.
Frontline SMS.
Okay, frontlinesms.org. There are several others. It might be good for, you know, like tactical tech,
Yeah.
to like give also the people a list of important URLs that they can use,
Yeah.
depending on what's available, whether it's
That's right.
SMS or smartphone.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So basically.